Here's the biggest mistake CashKick users make. They think getting kicked out of surveys means the platform is broken. But here's the truth no one tells you. Most early disqualifications happen because of how users approach the surveys, not because CashKick is fake. And if you know how to avoid the common triggers, your approval rate can improve dramatically. In this video, I'll show you why CashKick surveys keep kicking users out early, how to reduce disqualifications, which survey habits hurt your account, and how experienced users maximize successful completions in 2026. Let's get straight into it. First, if you're new to CashKick, here's how the platform works. Companies pay CashKick to collect consumer opinions. CashKick connects those surveys to users. When you qualify and complete a survey successfully, you earn money. Simple. But survey companies are extremely picky about who they want answering questions. That's where the frustration begins. For example, a company launching luxury baby products might only want parents between certain ages with specific shopping habits. If you don't fit that audience, you get disqualified. Now here's the problem. Many users get kicked out because they accidentally send inconsistent signals during screening questions. This is where most people fail. Jake says he has no children in one survey, then later, accidentally says he shops for baby products weekly in another screening section. That inconsistency raises red flags instantly. Survey systems track patterns aggressively now. And in 2026, fraud detection is smarter than ever. So the first rule is simple. Stay consistent. Your age, household size, job industry, income range, and shopping habits should remain logically consistent across surveys. Now here's another major reason people get kicked out early. Speeding. A lot of users rush through surveys trying to maximize earnings. Big mistake. If a survey estimated at 15 minutes gets completed in 3 minutes, the system assumes low-quality answers or bot-like behavior. That often triggers instant disqualification. And honestly, this is one of the easiest mistakes to avoid. Slow down slightly. Read carefully. Answer naturally. That alone improves approval rates more than most people realize. In a minute, I'll show you the hidden setup step that dramatically reduces disqualifications for many users. But first, let's talk about profile completion. Most people skip profile surveys during sign-up because they want immediate money. Huge mistake. Your profile helps CashKick match you with relevant opportunities before you even start surveys. An incomplete profile creates poor matching. Poor matching creates more disqualifications. For example, Sarah fully completed her demographic profile, including shopping habits, streaming subscriptions, and device usage. Afterward, her survey match quality improved significantly. Meanwhile, John skipped most profile questions and constantly got screened out. Small setup differences matter. Now here's where it gets interesting. Device choice affects approval rates too. Some surveys work better on desktop than mobile. Others are optimized specifically for phones. If a survey behaves strangely, freezes, or constantly reloads, switching devices can sometimes solve the issue. And honestly, outdated browsers cause more problems than people realize. Keeping your browser updated helps avoid technical disqualifications. Now let's discuss attention checks because these destroy a lot of survey attempts. Survey companies intentionally insert hidden instructions to catch users rushing. For example, a question might say, "Select strongly agree for this statement." If you miss it, your survey may end immediately. This is why careful reading matters. And here's the ironic part. Trying too hard to finish fast usually lowers your overall hourly earnings because disqualifications waste time. Now, let's talk about survey selection strategy. Not all CashKick surveys are worth attempting. Experienced users avoid surveys with terrible payout to time ratios. For example, a 30-minute survey paying 50 cents is rarely worth the risk. Meanwhile, shorter, higher-paying surveys often provide better efficiency and less frustration. That one habit improves the entire experience. Now here's another hidden issue. Using VPNs or suspicious internet setups can trigger security systems. Survey providers want genuine location data. If your IP address constantly changes or appears unusual, approval rates may drop. So avoid unnecessary VPN usage while completing surveys. Now here's where most people get confused. Sometimes you'll still get disqualified even after doing everything correctly. That's normal. Survey quotas fill quickly. A company may already have enough people matching your demographic by the time you answer. It's frustrating, but it's part of the survey industry. The goal isn't eliminating all disqualifications. The goal is reducing them enough to improve overall earnings. Now let's discuss timing because this matters more than people realize. Fresh surveys released earlier in the day usually have more open spots available. Late-night users often encounter filled quotas and lower quality leftovers. Experienced users check CashKick during morning hours, lunch breaks, and early evenings for better opportunities. Small timing adjustments can noticeably improve success rates. Now here's where it gets interesting. Survey reputation matters too. Over time, certain survey providers become known for higher completion rates, while others become infamous for frequent disqualifications. Experienced CashKick users mentally track which providers feel reliable. That pattern recognition helps avoid frustration. Now let's talk about realistic expectations. Even optimized users still face occasional rejections. That's unavoidable. The survey world is imperfect. So if you expect every survey to pay successfully, you'll probably quit frustrated. But if you treat surveys like probability instead of guarantees, the experience becomes much smoother. For example, Alex expects maybe 6 successful completions out of 10 attempts. That mindset keeps him realistic and patient. Now let's discuss multitasking because this is another hidden problem. Watching videos, gaming, or answering surveys distractedly increases mistakes dramatically. One missed attention check can kill a 20-minute survey instantly. Focused short sessions work far better than distracted long sessions. And honestly, survey quality scoring matters more now than it did years ago. Consistent quality users often receive better opportunities over time. Now let's answer the big question. Can you actually improve CashKick survey approval rates significantly? Yes. Not perfectly, but definitely. Complete your profile fully. Stay consistent with demographic answers. Avoid rushing. Read attention checks carefully. Use updated devices and browsers. Avoid suspicious VPN activity. And choose surveys strategically instead of randomly clicking everything. Those changes alone dramatically reduce frustration for most users. So here's the bottom line. Getting kicked out early on CashKick doesn't automatically mean the platform is bad. In many cases, the issue comes down to survey matching, answer, consistency, speed, or strategy. The users earning the most money usually aren't smarter. They're just more patient and selective. And honestly, that's the real secret. Treat surveys like a system, not a lottery ticket. If this video helped you stop getting kicked out of CashKick surveys early, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the most frustrating survey rejection you've experienced so far. And if you want, I'll also make a video showing the highest paying survey platforms available right now in 2026.